This quick tutorial will show you exactly how to upgrade Acuity Scheduling. Whether you're looking to access more features, accommodate a growing client base, or simply make the most of what Acuity has to offer, upgrading your plan is straightforward and can be done with just a few clicks. First, you'll want to open your Acuity Scheduling dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the main screen where you manage your appointments and calendar. Now, direct your attention to the left-hand sidebar. Scroll down until you reach the bottom, where you'll see the option labeled Manage Billing. Go ahead and click on that. Now that you're in the billing section, this is where you can make all necessary changes to your subscription. Look for the button that says Change Plan or Upgrade. Clicking this will bring up a comparison table that outlines all the available tiers. The table will give you a detailed view of what each plan offers, so you can make an informed decision about which one best suits your needs. Consider factors like the number of calendars you can manage, additional features you might need, and of course, the cost. Once you've reviewed the options, it's time to select your new tier. Think about your current and future needs. For instance, if you anticipate needing more booking options or integrations, choosing a higher tier now could save you time and hassle later on. After deciding, simply click on the tier you wish to upgrade to. The system will prompt you to confirm your selection, ensuring you've chosen the right plan. The final step is to complete the payment process. You'll be guided through entering your payment details, if needed, and confirming the upgrade. Remember, it's important to ensure that your payment information is up to date to avoid any interruption in service. Once your payment is processed successfully, you'll receive a confirmation and your new plan features will be activated immediately. Now, with your upgraded plan, you can explore the additional features and capabilities that come with it. Whether it's more customization options, enhanced reporting tools, or expanded integration capabilities, your new tier is designed to help streamline your scheduling process and enhance your client management. And there you have it. Upgrading your Acuity scheduling account is as simple as that. By following these steps, you can ensure that your scheduling needs are met with the right plan, allowing you to focus more on what truly matters, running your business efficiently and effectively. If you have any questions during the upgrade process, Acuity's customer support is always there to help you along the way. Happy scheduling!